guys, after 1 week again come back to my video. And guys, I am so much busy in my personal life. So, I will upload a video once a week right now. Guys, I am thinking your laptop or desktop is too slow like mine. Is it? Then how can we make it fast? No problem. I have the solution to this, guys, for you. So, let's start our video and subscribe our channel or I will take your mobile phone at night. So, let's start. Trick number 1, cleaning all unnecessary temporary files. First of all, open your laptop or desktop, then press Windows key plus R, then type temp like me. Then there will be some data come. So, delete all the data right now. Trick number 2, don't hide Microsoft services. Again, press Windows key plus R, then type msconfig. Then go to services and unput all the tick marks like me. Trick number 3, disabling all the startup programs in your taskbar. Right click of your mouse and then click to task manager like me. And then go to the startup option. Then disable all the startups like me. Trick number 4, disabling the visual effects. First of all, go to settings. Then go to system and then go to about option. In the right you will see advanced system settings. Click on it. Then at first you will see visual effects option. Click to the settings. And then click to the custom and unput all the tick marks like me. Then click to apply. Trick number 5, the refresh button. After opening your computer or laptop, at least refresh it 5 to 10 times. So, guys, I am guaranteed that if you follow these 5 steps, your laptop or desktop will be fast like a rocket. Guys, see, I have no time for YouTube, but just making videos for you. Guys, please subscribe our channel or I will catch your cat. Goodbye and see you in my next video. Until safe and be with me always.